Right, today we're going to do a little exercise in looking at the three axes of space, how this particular symbol or sign was drawn. We're going to focus on the idea that we've got three axes with ellipses falling on that axis. So if we think about it in memory, any ellipse, doesn't matter which way you draw them, an axis must go through the short part of the ellipse. So in this case we've got an ellipse going that way, an ellipse going that way, an ellipse going that way, but they all fall through that short axis. So what we're going to do is have a go at drawing this particular object. First of all, I'm going to start with drawing my three axes of space, and I also want to put a limit on the size. So if we think about it here, so that these ellipses end up about the same, I'm going to put an area that I want them to occur in. So in this case I'm going to do quite a big fat ellipse. Now, simple matter of deciding the position of each arrow, the beginning and the end of it. So to start with, I'm going to just use this as my limit. So there's my first ellipse. There's the limit there. Take your time in working this out. Notice I'm just going to rotate the paper because it's easy to draw ellipses that way. And now, along the same ellipse line, I'm just going to draw the cone that would form. Try and get them even. Now it's just a simple matter of deciding what you'll see the inside of and what you'll see the outside of. So I can see the inside there. So in this case I'm going to draw another little ellipse here to indicate that it's got thickness. This one here is the bottom, so I can't see that, but I can still guess where the ellipse would be. So it looks like it's in perspective. Remember, it's got to be an ellipse. Another ellipse. Ellipse. And then just bring the lines to it. Note all the time we're drawing that accuracy is not super important as long as you follow the rules. So in this case I want to show the bottom part of it, so I'm not going to see that arrow going inside of the ellipse. This one I will see it, but I've got to remember I've got a rod going through that, so part of the rod will obscure this part. So I've got this part of the ellipse here. Turn it around so I can do it properly. And then that part is obscured. This one here, I can see the inside, but can't see the inside of that, so same thing. An arrow, ellipse. Here, same sort of thing. I can see, according to this, I can see that side, but therefore I can't see that side. So this one is going to be like that, but there's the ellipse still that I'm heading to. This one I can't see, so this one I can see. So same sort of thing. There's the ellipse, in part of the ellipse. There's the rod. So that one I can see. This one I can see, so therefore that one I can't see inside. So there's the ellipse. And that's the point there where the ellipse would go through. There's my little study drawing the three axes of space.